Hi everyone! Welcome back po to my beautiful channel. This is Maria Carissa and this is Maria Carissa Vlog. For today's video, I'll be unboxing my tripod. At last, dumating na po siya. So, let's go! Let's open my tripod. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say my condolences and I'm so sorry to all the family and friends of our idol, Lloyd Cadena. Yeah, he's really very good as a YouTuber. Well, I follow him on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. One thing po na natutunan ko sa kanya is wag natin pong kalimutan yung kapwa natin. If we have something to share, we should share it. So, I'm really sorry. I think I should give it a tribute for him. And, you know, he's really a good person. Marami po siyang natulungan ng mga tao. Na-shock talaga ako ng news after ng work. And then, one of my co-worker told me that Lloyd Kween was gone and he's posting in his Facebook account. And it was really a saddest part po sa atin lahat na Filipino and sa lahat po nanonood ng kanyang YouTube. Okay, so, but I'm still so sorry and my condolences to his family and friends. It really hurt me po a lot. So, welcome back po sa aking unboxing. So, at last po, dumating na po siya. So, actually, my tripod was actually dumating po siya nung August pa. But it was addressed to my hometown, my house, not in my apartment. Kasi po minsan hindi po ako nasa apartment po ako. I'm actually working every day. So hindi lahat ng oras ko nasa apartment. So kahit i-address ko pa sa workplace ko, ayoko din pong i-address kasi makita ng boss ko na nagpapadala ako at nagbobot ng Shopee. So, I need to avoid that fact na I was wasting my money for something that is really inconvenient. Kasi hindi naman nila alam na nag-YouTube ako now. So, I still need to make it a secret. So, even though I made it a secret na mag-YouTube po ako, some of my friends, co-workers, really discover my YouTube channel. But, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Kahit hindi talaga ako very good in public speaking, not very good in speaking at my reviews, but still, I'm learning, and more learnings to come pa. Right? So, back to my address. I addressed this to my father's-in-law home. Yeah. And they received it in last August. So, I can't come home because of course, the city was very, the positive pandemic is really increasing here in our city. I mean, the positive cases are increasing here on our city. So, I really don't want to go there at my hometown because I wouldn't know. I think, asymptomatic and positive in coronavirus, but I don't wish for it. I really hope that I'm healthy because I feel good rin. But, we wouldn't know the fact that I am carrying a virus. So, I need to be safe rin for my family and yung mga tao po doon din sa bahay. Okay, so I'm really not so excited to share to you this, guys, because there's so much thing and bad things happen on this 8 months of 2020, and it's made me cry because even though I've experienced coronavirus or pandemic this year, in my 26 years of existence here on Earth. And there are other people rin na nahihirapan ngayon, not just us. So, I think that we should just respect for one another, pray for one another that we can survive this. Kung ano man yung binubroth ng 2020 po sa atin. And I know, oh my gosh, I'm crying. So, I'm really not hoping for another negative things that 2020 will bring to us. Kasi 4 months na lang, 2021 na po. And, I really wish that I would never experience 2020 in my life. But then, 2020 bring us a really lot of saddest things, and it really breaks my heart. And kasi ito po yung worst na na-experience ko na year. And in adulthood, yung mga babies pa lang ngayon, syempre hindi pa nila alam. But tayo, nasa adulthood na po tayo, na-experience na natin yung mga bagay na ganito. And it makes me emotional lang po. Kasi maraming taong nahihirapan ngayon. And, yeah. I'm sorry for being emotional. Kasi, yung news lang kasi kahapon, he's one of person or influencer na nagpapasaya po ng mga tao. And I really like his content and videos in YouTube, yes. And marami po siyang natulungan ng mga tao. And I really don't realize that he was taken so early. There are chances na pwede pa siya makatulong sa ibang tao, but God take him away. But maybe, I hope all around those people na nasa tabi niya, ma-realize nila that God has a purpose to all. Okay, so habang po nagsasalita ako talaga, nabuksan ko na po yung aking tripod. So, I bought this from Shopee for only 230 peso. Yay! Well, meron rin po talagang makaka-avail po kayo for a very cheap amount lang po if you will avail it during meron po silang like promo. Yeah, you will avail it for shipping and voucher, So I'm so excited to open this. Alright, so let's go! So ito po yung pouch niya. It was actually delivered by the GNT Express. So, alam niyo po ba? Oh, what the heck? Oh my gosh, it was open. I don't even know maybe someone in the house opened it. But I don't think so. But, I don't know. But I'll just ask them. Kasi pag hindi to nila nabuksan, then I'll just ask the seller if na-open na po nila. It's really a bad thing. Botanics Moisturizer Water Mask. Bakit may ganito? At saka meron pong ganito. Na nasama. Ewan ko ba? Botanics Cheeto Sun Moisturizing Water Mask. I'm not gonna use it. Kasi, you know, galing po ito sa delivery and I really don't. Tingnan ko po sa loob, baka meron pa. Alright, wala na po. So, pag open ko ng pouch ko, bukas na po siya. Tingnan nyo. So, I'm gonna ask po someone sa bahay if na-open po nila ito. Kasi pag hindi, I will ask the seller then if nagpadala po ba siya ng super open na tripod. I really don't know. Okay, so yung brand po ng tripod ko is KO7 Selfie Stick Integrated Tripod for 230 peso. It's actually 229 peso. Okay. So, let's read po yung features ng aking tripod. So, SS means stainless steel pole body. Okay, wireless control din po ang tripod. And then, it composed of 7.64 to 27.6 inches. And it is rotationable for 120 degree. And then, it is durable. It means hindi po siya madaling masira. Okay, so, ang specification po niya is main material stainless. Okay, na-read ko na po pala yung specification. Okay, so it is compatible in iOS or some iPhone, Apple user gen, and then Android also. You can use it. Okay, I'll read some of the boxes before I open the tripod. And mag-test po ako later. Okay, so the compact and lightweight size makes it easy to carry. So, meron na po actually akong ring light. Yeah, ito po yung ring light ko. But I'm not using it now kasi mas naman po. I wait. And then, with my ring light, it's actually carried a phone holder na ginagamit ko po ngayon sa phone ko. And then, I have this, which is, binili ko rin po. Binili ng husband ko to. Okay, so, just check another videos na sa description ko po at nandun po yung lahat ng mga unboxing ko. So, easy to carry daw po ito. Yung purpose po niya, bakit ko po binili po siya, is because sometimes I would travel and there are times na mag-shot ako ng mga videos sa travel vlog ko and then some of my cooking vlog. Ang dami kong vlog. Kasi po yung channel ko, it was created differently. Kaya sinasabi ko pong always, a beautiful channel kasi gusto ko yung channel ko. It's very, yung parang lahat nandun sa channel ko. Okay, so, meron po siyang plastic na super para protected po yung inyong tripod. Okay, another specification, it is a highly secure lightweight stainless steel fold. Extendable up to 6 stages with fully adjustable extension. Wow! 6 stages with fully adjustable extension daw po. So let's try it later. And then camera angle adjust up to 245 degree for versatility. Okay. So adjustable din po siya, clamp. Extends from 2.9 inches to 4.0 inches. So designed to take better selfies with a touch of a button. Okay. So, okay, so eto na po ang aking tripod. I know it's very small, and I'm not really good at using it pa. But mag-read po muna ako ng direction before testing. Okay? So, yung direction po dito is long press the remote, the button to power on. LED indicator will blink. Okay? So, long press daw po ang remote button. Saan po yung remote button? Actually, don't know. Oh my gosh! Okay, so... okay. So, eto po siya. Ano ba makuha ito? Ito po siya. Pwede pong makuha yung button po niya dito. Yan. So, for example, iti-test po natin later. I was standing there and then I will just put some, I will press it and then some of the video that I will gonna shoot will definitely be on the video na. Okay. So, Selfie com on your search and pair with BP or Bluetooth name. Selfie com on your cell phone. LED indicator will stop flashing after successfully connected. Use the remote control to capture pictures, LED flash and once at a time. The remote control will automatically shut down in 5 minutes if not paired. The remote control will automatically sleep in 10 minutes without any operation and auto shut down after another 10 minutes if not awakened. Okay, parang tao rin siya. Long press the remote button to power off. Okay. LED indicator flashes 3 times, then shut down. Okay. So, kung mag-shutdown po siya, meron po siyang 3 flashes. Okay. So, pero kung mag-on po siya, power on, the LED indicator will blink. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so pwede natin ibalik natin yung power button po niya. So, sabi po sa direction kanina, it can be extend to 0.9 inches to 4.0 inches. So, ganito po siya kahaba. Not really haba, but 1 meter. Parang po sa hand ko, sobra po siya sa hand. Yeah, parang ano po siya. Hand meter. Okay. So, okay na rin. Para kahit pa paano pag nag-travel kami, parang makaka-travel. Pandemic na. Okay, so eto po yung lagay ng cellphone. Dito po. So, iti-try ko po yung isang cellphone ko na lagay dito. Okay, so extendable po siya. Ito po yung extend. Yan. So, nakalagay na po ako ng aking phone dito. And then, pwede po siya natin na-extend. So, ganyan lang talaga siya. And dito po, if you want the tripod na mag-stand, or example, wala po kayong kasama to take your pictures, pwede nyo po siyang ilagay. Yan. So, mag-stand lang po siya. Okay, so, but if you want some selfies, you can do some selfies like this. Train. And this. Or kung kukuha po kayo ng videos, hi, welcome everyone to this place. Diba? So, iti-test po natin yung phone ko. Well, it's really good. I'm really impressed for my 230 pesos. So, kung kukuha po kayo ng videos, ganyan lang. Kung saan po kayo pupunta, ganyan, ganyan. Okay. Well, I'm definitely impressed. So, hindi naman po ako nasasayang sa kakawait po at nakakahintay. So, ganyan po siya kalong. Iti-testing po natin siya later if standing po ba. Pwede po siyang kahit anong angle nyo kung magbablog kayo. If you're gonna cook, pwede nyo po siyang stand up. Wait lang po. I'm just gonna test it and show it to you. Okay, so eto na po siya. Ang ating tripod. Okay, so if gusto nyo po siyang kasi nag-shoot po kayo, pwede rin po ninyong i-press po ito para mag-stand up po siya at no need na po kayong kayo po yung mag-handle nung camera. Ayan. So, it was really good. Train. Nag-stand na pong aking tripod. And then, if nag-shoot po kayo ng mga may gusto kayong i-shoot na ganyan dyan and makapture ng camera dito, pwede rin ganyan ninyo. And then, if gusto nyo po mag-shoot na gamit ang tripod nyo, you can easily like that. Terrain! So, kung gusto nyo rin po mag-shoot na wala kayong kasama, you can do exactly like this. Wait. Alright, so as you can see, pwede na po siya. So, iti-test po siya natin. And, well, yung height po niya, actually, hindi po siya super good. Pero it's okay. I can definitely manage with this. Ayan. So, okay na rin po. Kahit ganyan ako. Diba? Sige, iti-try ko po yung phone and mag-video pa tayo. Okay, so, wait po. Okay, so definitely it was really good, but yung stand lang po niya, hindi po niya kaya mag-carry if meron pong hangin. Yeah, parang naglo-lose balance po siya. But overall, it was really good. Definitely, may use ko po siya during my reviews or some of my gustong gawin pan or gustong i-vlog pa po. Okay. So, yung good lang po dito is hindi na po kayo mahihirapan every angle po ninyo. And it was easily, you can easily you can make easily some selfies. Yeah, that's very good. And you can do everything you want, not just sitting, talking also. In my first vlog, like kung ano yung content na ibibigay ko po, I actually just I'm using my hand, not some tripod or something. So, I'm so grateful na mayroon na akong tripod kasi it's very convenient, very stable ang aking pagkukuha ng video. So, to more content to come. So, nabili ko po siya sa Shopee. I will be definitely providing you some of my ano ba to? The store which I bought. But if you really wanted, kung meron naman po kayong savings, if you really wanted to buy some things in Shopee or Lazada, you must be availed po na dapat meron kayong voucher, free shipping, para po maka-avail po kayo ng mura. So, minsan, yung mga videos na nakikita ko, meron po silang cheap na nabili, but it's not actually cheap. Nag-a-avail lang po sila ng mga free shipping. Meron din po kasing shipping fee yun, if especially too far po kayo. So, it was good. And you can easily and conveniently use it. And kahit anong angulo nyo po, pwede po kayong kumausap or nag-video call sa inyo. Sweet, pwede po siya. Look at the sand. Well, as you can see, yan po yung sun natin. It's actually 4:30 and maglalaba po ako. But later, I will have a silent video po. It will be my contribution po. Bye! Thank you everyone for watching my video and for my unboxing po sa aking tripod. So, siguro ngayon will be my saddest video. But still, I'm impressed with what I bought in Shopee. So, I will give a information kung saan ko po siya nabili sa Shopee. But I will definitely advise you to wait for some promos. Voucher kung meron po kayo para maka-avail po kayo ng murang mga gadget or things na gusto niyo pong bilhin sa Shopee or sa Lazada. But definitely, overall, it's really a good tripod. So thank you everyone for watching my video. Please give it thumbs up if you really like my tripod. So ito po siya. It's actually not very good at balance, especially if malakas yung hangin po. If mag-shot po kayo ng video by yourself. So, yeah. But it's really good at selfies kasi super strong po siya. And you can definitely use this button, especially if you're filming far away. Yeah. But overall, I'm impressed with my tripod and definitely gonna use it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. So, I know I really shoot with, hindi ko pa talaga gusto mag-shoot ngayon kasi parang sa news na narinig ko, natatamad ako. Yung gusto ko na lang mag-watch na lang ako ng videos or ano pa. But, I have works on Monday to Friday. So, syempre, sometimes I get overtime din kasi kailangan ko rin ng pera. And yung YouTube ko, every weekend ko lang po pina-prioritize kasi hindi rin po makalabas. And I just want to say I'm sorry and my heartily condolences po sa friends and family po ng ating idol, Lloyd Cadena. He's really a good influencer. Maraming po siyang nagpasaya and I'm also one of him, of his fan. You know, idol ko rin po siya and I always follow him anywhere. YouTube, anywhere, I mean social medias, Facebook, Twitter. And I'm really impressed po sa lahat ng ginagawa niya kasi marami rin po siyang natulungan. And kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, why really God taken away someone na marami pa siyang matutulungan in the future. But I just want to know them, or I just wanted to know the family that God has always a purpose for everything. So, yung na-read ko po sa Twitter, sabi po niya, every day of our lives, we must embrace everyone. You know, yung mga people na sa paligid natin. Our families, our friends, our loved ones. We must embrace it and every day because tomorrow is not a promise. Thank you so much. See you po in my next vlog. Bye! God bless everyone.